box doesn't have the Wuhan virus inside. Be careful.
Yeah, I'm more afraid that there might be a spider, a tarantula, or a snake, but I think I would have had a hint if it was the case. So we'll see, maybe. Could always happen. Alright. So, and okay, so that actually is the size of a snake, but it's pretty much the part that I was hoping for. Let's see if it's the writings I'm hopeful for. So Jack, I'm not sure if you know from the other videos, what this could be. And by the way, if there's a delay, it's a little bit normal.
The user said, whose name is Bernard. Welcome Jack Reacher, asterisk bienvenue. This is what the user said, whose name is Bernard. Welcome Jack Reacher, asterisk bienvenue. This is what the user said, whose name is Bernard. Welcome Jack Reacher, asterisk bienvenue.
I guess if there's a delay with the video, it's because I'm restreaming. Il y a peut-être un petit délai vu que je fais plusieurs posts en même temps. I'm doing many channels at the same time. Could add some a little bit. And I'm not sure if you have a hint of what that could be, Jack. That's a part with the two items mostly that I did, the two videos that I did. C'était un morceau que j'attends depuis pas très longtemps. Ça a été rapide pour la livraison, c'est excellent. So it's well packed. And I'm hopeful that the inscriptions will be better than what the original one was. Otherwise,
We can't see your pretty unboxing table.
Thanks, Jack. I'm gonna change the lighting to see. Okay, so this lighting is a little less natural, so it's gonna probably show a different color, but it doesn't really matter for this item. Wow, strange. They've sent a bent. That's really odd. I don't know if you can see this. It's actually shipping taped, the part, so it's wrongly made. And it says, I don't know if you can see here, it says the same thing, 2017-06. Donc, c'est un item qui est défectueux, ou en tout cas qui est mal assemblé. Il y a un morceau qui est croche. This should be straight. So, it's a hoax. They've hoaxed me again. That is so surprising.
This is what the user said, whose name is Jack Reacher. Is it a Wuhan flute?
No, you can't play the flute with that. That's a good guess. It's something that you replace gas with. Instead of, à la place d'utiliser de l'essence. Ok, donc c'est ça, ici c'est indiqué année 2017, 6e mois, et le morceau est croche. C'est envoyé, collé avec du papier, je sais pas trop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna work with it to try to fix it myself, or call the guy right away and see what he wants to do. Because this is one of this item is supposed to add range. I don't know if you can hear. There's even a piece that seems to be loose in here. Il y a un morceau qui est loose dedans. So yeah, I'm gonna give you more.
This is what the user said, whose name is Jack Reacher. Have they scammed you?
Yep. That's the third time actually. It's the third time, but I mean, it's how would I say that? It's unexpected. I was expecting on the items, most of the items that I've unboxed for you have been items that I was expecting might have, you know, issues. That's why they sell it the way they do. And for instance, the Apple, the 10-inch Apple Air 1 that I had ordered, it worked good, but there were problems on it. I had to fix it, repair a few things. The screen was loose. I had to do a few work on it. So eventually, after doing everything on it, it worked fine. But was it worth it? That's a different story. For me it was, but for somebody who was not too capable of fixing and being lucky with certain aspects of the items, it would not have been a good idea to do so. So yeah, that's why I'm expecting this kind of issues, but not, you know, not as bad as this. This is clearly not fixed properly. It should be very straight, and obviously they did something here with masking, not masking tape, but shipping tape. That's absolutely unacceptable as far as quality goes. Donc c'est ça, ils ont mis d'espèces de collants, une espèce de collant de transport pour tenir un morceau qui est pas droit. Le morceau devrait être en ligne droite. So yeah, what I'm gonna do probably is I'm gonna send them the footage right away, but I'm probably gonna work. So if you want to wait, it's your choice, or you can come back a little bit later. I'm gonna keep the stream going. I'm gonna send them the information from the B camera, which is sorry, from the Alpha camera, which is the iPhone 4S, and we'll see what they reply on the message, and we'll try to fix it online live. I'll try to work on this, see if I can do something with the battery, at least getting it charged. Fait que je vais essayer de travailler sur la pile pour qu'elle soit capable de charger. Et surtout, ce qui m'inquiète, c'est les petits morceaux de loose. I'm mostly worried about the loose pieces, because if it's a metal part, if it shorts the batteries inside, it could cause certain issues. So, like I said, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go send the pictures to the sender and see what he has to say. Won't be long.